Hello, welcome back to my channel again. Today we're gonna do something quick, nice and easy with your natural hair. Of course I'm gonna do with my natural hair. However, if you're new, don't forget to like, comment, and most of all subscribe. Here we're gonna have fun. Yes. So without wasting much time, let's get into this. You want to comb it a little bit to get. My apologies. I had to mute it. My little angel kept crying. I think next time he's doing the voiceover. Definitely. So look up to that. Get the brush. You need one of these brushes. They're so essential and very helpful to lay down your edges and all the little hair that grows around your hair. Yeah, you want to also open your hair a little bit so that you get a better look. There. Yeah, you want to tie your hair. I'm using my old tights. I just cut them and I'm just using it on my hair because I think it works better for me. And yeah, it doesn't come off. You can use a shoelace as well. Get yours or get your partners, get your friends, get your brothers, your shoes. Everybody has great trainers. Use that one if you want. Yeah, that one works as well perfectly. Just like any other thread or whatever works for you, really. So now I'm using my Gorilla Gel, which is from the hair shop, but you can get from Superdrug as well. I've seen a few there. You want to get just a little. This is how it looks inside. Just get a little bit, yeah. Rub it in your hand and use it around your edges and at the back as well. Easy, easy, easy. And then get your hairband, tie it up, make sure it's nicely secured so that when it's taken off, get nice and laid edges. Oh yes. Secure it. So I'm just doing a quick foundation, very light foundation before I do the eyebrows. Nothing big. So the pencil I'm using is from MUA, which is from the drugstore. Superdrug, you will get it. Normally that's where I get it from. So yeah, it's £1.50 at the moment. It used to be £1, now they change it. But it's okay. It's cheaper than other brands. So yeah, now you want to just follow. So now I know this, yeah. So if you don't have any eyebrows, do not worry. Just follow the bone I'm showing you in the video. The bone where I'm showing my hand. Normally that's where your eyebrow needs to be, and you just want to draw your eyebrow on there. And yeah. You just want to follow your brow line and then blend it in nicely. Just keep blending it in. You can take it down. I normally take it down all the way to wherever I want, really, as long as I'm happy and it's nicely blended. Yeah, at this point you just want to keep filling it in until you're actually happy and satisfied with the look. Keep filling it in. Just keep blending it in. You can take it down. I normally take it down all the way to wherever I want, really, as long as I'm happy and it's nicely blended. If you want to make sure that your hands is not shaking or the pencil will not move, just put a bit of your hand in your face and then just make it secure. Move your little fingers in the pencil, and in this way your hands won't shake, because I know some people have this problem of the hands being shaken and then the pencil will not come straight. Just, yeah, as long as you're happy with the look, you just want to go and do the other eye, and you want to follow your eyebrow line, as I keep saying. And yeah, if you have a shaky hand, you can simply put your hand in your face a little so that to stop it from shaking and moving too much. It secured the pencil as well and the movement of it. Easy and easy, just like I'm doing. Yes, yeah, you want to just fill it in as I'm doing. It's very easy. You just want to take your time. If you're not used to doing this, don't rush yourself to get a concealer brush. It's quite flat, thin, and it's not too much hair. It helps to pick the concealer easily and also to blend it on the eye. And it's very practical. I really recommend you get one if you don't have a concealer brush, or just get any brush that is quite flat that you can manage and the hair doesn't go everywhere. So I'm putting a bit of the concealer behind my hand, and then I'm gonna add a bit of my foundation because I don't want it too bright. I want it a bit more closer to my skin tone. So I mix those two together behind my hand, at the back of my hand, and then I'll take the product from there. So I'm gonna do one eye and then I'll do the other one. So as you can see, I'm doing it very slowly because I want you to really see what I'm doing, and you also can follow. So you want to do it very slowly so that it doesn't go everywhere, because sometimes the concealer can be a bit tacky. And then the rest of it you can just blend it out to the eyelid, and then because sometimes you use a bit of eyeshadow, so it's also good if you want to use eyeshadow later. Sorry, I didn't realize I went out of the camera. So yeah, I had a little incident with my little one, so I had to change. And what a good time for that. Yes, let's move. Let's move. It's normal. So I'm gonna concealer the other eyebrow. As I'm doing it very slowly. Just take your time. Do it, girl. No rush. Of course, the men can wait. They'll wait till tomorrow morning. We will still be blending. It's normal. It's part of us. Nothing they can do. Nothing they can do. Don't worry if they ask you, I'm almost done. You'll still be blending. It's normal. I'm sure they have learned and they know. So keep blending, baby. Blend, blend, blend. Yeah. So yeah, you want to do the same on the top. Yes, you want to do the same on the top. Use your brush, whatever you want to use. Just make sure everything is blended nicely together. I'm using a little bit of pencil to define my eye, and then I'm gonna use a bit of mascara to define my eyelashes, and then I'll be done, baby girl. Simple and easy, just like that. Did you know see it's easy? Wasn't it simple? Oh yes, tell me it was simple because it was. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching. It was a pleasure. I really enjoyed this look. I hope you loved it too. And I hope you'll be able to try it at home. And let me see, or let me know. Follow me on my social media platforms on Instagram and Facebook or Snapchat. Show me how it came, if you enjoyed it. And yeah, let me know. Thank you so much, beautiful people. Bye. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to your girl. Thank you. I love you.